So the first look of the Galaxy S23 Ultra has already been revealed in the form of official CAD renders, so this time Samsung is pushing the boundaries. They are literally going all out with the Galaxy S23 Ultra high-end flagship. According to Ice Universe, you won't see much design change, but Samsung is focusing on the cameras and the performance in the next-gen flagship. Ice Universe recently mentioned that the S23 Ultra's 200-megapixel camera will not have a 50-megapixel mode. Turns out that is not true. It does support it, but Samsung hasn't enabled it just yet, which they will in time for the handset's release. We recently learned that the night photography of the S23 Ultra has been greatly improved to a point where it's being said that it's their biggest improvement in 5 years. He shared more details about it, and he says in an environment with almost no light, the S23 Ultra's 5 seconds night mode takes way better images than the S22 Ultra's 6-second mode. Not only it's brighter, but the image quality has been greatly improved, which is great news. Samsung is enhancing the 3x and 10x telephoto zoom, so we'll have sharp and clean images with better color processing. This is image shared by Weibo, and you guys can see a massive difference in the image shot on possible S23 Ultra versus the image shot on S22 Ultra. The image on left without any doubt is clear and sharp in comparison to the image shot using the S22 Ultra, which is like not in focus and not so sharp. Speaking of great news, here's one for the Galaxy S22 users. Despite offering the best camera features, the S22 handsets lacked astrophotography mode to take clear images of the night sky introduced by Google in 2019. But that is finally changing. Samsung is issuing a software update that enables this feature. Do note that you need to download the Expert RAW app from Galaxy Store and use astrophotography mode from there, as it's not available in the normal camera app. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra has a large battery with a capacity of 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. In addition, we recently saw that the processor of the American version of the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and that is much faster than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, and of course Samsung's own improvements in camera software post-processing. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.